Calderwood Dam. We are on the back side of Deals Gap, headed to the Deals Gap store. If you watched my other video, I made the comment that we haven't seen law yet today. I feel there'll be some on this road. Could be. If I'm lucky, this radar detector will pay for itself. If I'm unlucky, you'll hear me crying in my helmet as I'm pulling over to pay revenue to Blount County. Dude's got a dog on the back of his motorcycle. I'm not sure if that's cool, or even if the dog has a choice. Dog doesn't seem happy. I'm thinking the dog wishes he was on a straight road. That dog does not look happy. My dog would be losing her mind. Pure Michigan knows to pull off. Thank you. If you all get a chance to go to the Nissan dealership, check out one of these Rock Creek Pathfinders. Those things are nice. They are nice. I'm here to tell you, they are nice. The owners might not be the brightest, but the Rock Creek Pathfinder is a good looking vehicle inside and out. Don't ever cross the double yellow line. Crossing that double yellow line is not worth the millisecond that you save while you're killing the person in the oncoming lane. You shouldn't even touch the yellow line, ever. Ever. Especially on this road. When you're on this road in a car, you should be hugging that white line. There's never going to be an excuse for you to ride that yellow line like this guy is. Unless you're just a poor driver. This guy's a poor driver. This is not a good sign. Alright, so for the video, Deals Gap is closed. It is closed for business. So we're going to turn around and we're going to take the long way home. I'm hoping we make it home before it rains. It kind of sort of looks like the clouds to the west over there are starting to build up. It's 1:30 right now. I was hoping to be home by 4. That's when it said it's going to be thunderstorms. So yeah, this is what happens when Deals Gap is closed. You just turn around and head the other way. This is not the first time that I've seen this, and that's why right there. That is why. That poor girl. She come up here with that clown and its Acura, and then his car breaks down. Yeah, I can only imagine what happened. But the road is closed. Alright, hit that thumbs up. I'll chat at you later. Bye.